So yesterday I went to a talk at Inbound called 10 Scientific Secrets That Makes Your Content Impossible to Ignore from Nancy Hart. It's a brilliant talk, but what got me thinking was loads of the team at Finally also went on the same talk. And it got me thinking, why did that happen? Because there was loads of talks available. So the reason is that Nancy uses 3 of her secrets inside this title. And I'm going to talk you through those 3. So the first one is this: scientific. This is all about invoking experts in your content. This isn't, Nancy's thoughts. This is research from scientists, and that's why you believe it, because it's coming from a respected source. The second one is the word secrets. Now this is a word magnet. This is a word that makes you, wow, like I'm going to find out something new. I'm going to know something that other people don't know. Nancy's going to let me into these secrets. That's amazing. So it makes you want to react. And the third thing is this one. It makes your content impossible to ignore. So avoiding pain is much more powerful for someone than gain. So the idea that it makes your content impossible to ignore is actually a negative thing, but it's kind of turns it into a positive. So these are the 3 secrets that Nancy used to get loads of people to her talk. Because the talk could have been great tips about content, which you would have thought, nah, I won't bother. But when you say 10 scientific secrets that make your content impossible to ignore, you don't ignore it, and everybody went.